Hey Physios, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Budding Physios. Today we'll see about words start with E and F. First is ectopia, which means out of its place. Next is efferent, which means going away. We have already learned efferent, which means coming towards. So try to remember one in these two, then you will be getting easier. Confuse avukunda untaru. Efferent gaani efferent edo okate gurtupeట్టుకోండి. Opposite of that another one avutundi appudu. Next is elephantiasis, which means elephant like legs. Next is emesis, vomiting. That's why the drugs called antiemetics. Next is endo, inside. Next is epi. Epi means upon. Hence epicranium means upon head. Epidermis means upon dermis, which is upon skin. Epididymis, upon testis. Epigastrium, upon belly. So akkadi epi kanipachina then meaning upon. Next is epilepsy, a seizure. Fits antam kada, a seizure. Next is episiotomy, cutting the pudendum or perineum. During normal delivery, head అనేది హ్యూజ్ గా ఉన్నా లేదంటే టు ఫెసిలిటేట్ ఈజీ డెలివరీ అక్కడ పెరినియం దగ్గర ఒక కట్ ఇస్తారు, దాన్ని ఎపిసియోటమీ అంటారు. ఎపిసియోటమీ మీన్స్ కటింగ్ ద పుడెండమ్ ఆర్ పెరినియం. నెగర్వేషన్, విచ్ మీన్స్ టు ఇరిటేట్. As we already learned, endo means inside, exo means outside. Endogenous means inside, exogenous means outside. Next is word start with F. Femur means thigh. That's why it's called thigh bone. Next, ferment means worm. As we can hear about fermentation like that. Filament means a thread like. Is the fistula, which means a pipe. Foramen means a hole. Fovea means a pit. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది బోన్ అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఒక పిట్ లాగా ఉంటే దీన్ని ఫోవియా అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ ఫండస్, లార్జర్, విచ్ మీన్స్ లార్జర్. Fusiform is spindle shaped. So this is all about E and F. In the next video we will upload words start with G and H. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.